guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an updated room tour. I actually just posted my first room tour about a month ago, but I actually kind of changed up a lot of things, got some new items, and looking back at that video, I didn't really do a great job of explaining where everything came from. So this is going to be probably a longer video, but really in depth of where I got all of my decor, bedding, all that stuff from. So if you want to see my updated room tour, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's just start from the door. This is the door to enter my bedroom from the hallway, and here on the door I just have a hanger hook from either Ross or Marshalls with just some common things that I can quickly grab, like my jacket, a backpack, some purses, and this has been my go-to bag. This is from Shay Mitchell's brand Bays. Love that bag. That is the mini weekender, and there's another part that goes on the bottom that is currently not connected. So moving to the right, over here, and lots of this stuff is going to be from Target, or as I like to say, Target. So this basket is from Target. It has this nice black wire with this gold handle that kind of fits my aesthetic with some blankets in there. And then over here I have my TV, nothing too fancy. I'm not sure how big it is. It's not big at all, but it's just a pretty basic smart TV from the brand Sharp. And here, this 4 cubicle is from Target as well. So let me just go through what is in each of these. Okay, so top left, I have my Twilight books in the background, some candles, and then this gold pyramid is from Amazon that I keep some of my jewelry, earrings, stuff like that on. Bottom left corner, this is my personal nail salon. So I do my own nails at home. And in here, I just have all of my stuff, a towel, I have a UV LED lamp, some different buffers, nail files, stuff like that. And then in here, I have all of my gel, dip powders, cuticle oils, all that stuff is in here. So this is my nail salon. Saves you a lot of money to do your own nails, and I think I'm actually getting a little bit better. So on the right side, more books in the background. I really truly do love reading. Harry Potter, which I'm currently working on rereading, and then up here I just have some pens, pencils, markers, stuff like that for bullet journaling or office supplies. And down here, these candles are from Amazon. They're soy candles. They're super cute and small. And then over here is some various smell good stuff. So this is some room spray from Everspring. I really like this brand. It smells great. And then I have some hand sanitizer, Lysol spray. This jar is full of essential oil that I'll put into my oil diffuser that I'll show you guys later. And this is just a cup to fill it up with water to put it in that diffuser. Okay, so right next to that is my closet, and right here I love using command hooks. You guys will see command hooks and strips all throughout my bedroom. Here I just have my wallet and keys, and let me show you guys my closet. Okay, so this is my closet. I have a lot of stuff, and you guys will notice that I do not have a dresser in my bedroom, so everything is pretty much stuffed in here. I have a very small room and a lot of stuff. So on the door I have this shoe compartment from Walmart that I have all of my shoes, sandals, all that stuff in there. And this is my closet that is overflowing with stuff. Here is my smart Bluetooth scale from Amazon, and just a whole bunch of stuff in here. So up there is kind of just junk that I need to get out the way. I have an iron, a steamer. Up there is lots of different boxes from things. That black thing is what I was telling you guys about, the bottom part to my base purse, another blanket, and then up here I have another 6 cubicle from either Walmart or Target with more storage for shoes, hats, bags, cowboy boots, yes, I live in Texas, rain boots, and all that stuff. And then I have a laundry hamper and a whole bunch of clothes squished together. These things I always get from Walmart to just add some extra storage, and that plastic container also has, is also from Walmart. So if you guys saw my last video, I used to have a kind of like a homemade studio in my room, and I would keep all of my lights out there, but it just was getting kind of cluttered. And so in here is my ring light from Amazon, and these two lights also from Amazon, just to get them out of the way. This is the first time in my life I have ever had a walk-in closet, so it's amazing to have a lot of space. Okay, so moving along from the closet. This is a tray, most likely from Walmart, and this is some of my filming stuff on it. Tripod, this new lens that I just got that I'm so excited to start using, and then this is my camera bag that has batteries, all that stuff in there. And over here to this wall, so this is my desk area all on this side. So these picture frames are from Hobby Lobby, and let me just go through everything that's over here. So all of the fake plants that you guys are going to see in my room are from Target. I tried to have real plants and it just did not work out, so I definitely need fake plants. This is my Polaroid camera, and then this is a jewelry stand that my mom got me a couple years ago for my birthday, so not exactly sure where it's from, but it's super cute. So the sides open and then the top part also opens, so they have stuff on top of it, and then I just have a bunch of different things in there. This mirror is from Target. It was only like $7 and I loved it because it's black. If you guys can't tell, I'm kind of going for like a black white plant vibe type of thing. This hanging plant, also from Target. It's super cute, and this is a command hook holding it up. Okay, so here's my window. I really wish I got more natural light, but my room is on the side of the house, so it is what it is. So here is the desk area. Okay, so let's start with the actual desk itself. The desk tabletop and the shelving unit are both from IKEA, as well as this white chair. So the desk is the Linman desktop with the legs and the Alex drawer system that I'm sure you guys have seen before. And this chair is also from IKEA, just a simple white chair with some wooden leggings. And this pillow, I'm pretty sure, is from Walmart, just a black fluffy pillow to make the chair more comfortable because it is kind of a hard chair. Okay, so these two floating shelves and everything, almost everything on them are from Target. These are actually hung up by command hooks. And so these are floating shelves from Command. They will stick to your wall and peel off clean without having to do any mounting, drilling, any of that stuff. So I love these. And on top of them, I bought some picture frames that I need to get some pictures in them. This is my favorite perfume. This is the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. And then I have a candle from the brand Bear, which I love. This other shelf is also from Target, as well as these two things on top of it. This cute little fake plant, and then this date thing that has pretty cool trim that I really love. Over here is my leatherboard from Target. Another fake plant. I believe this is either from Target or maybe Ross or Marshalls. And then this black lamp that I just got from Target. That's a nice touch lamp, and then this can rotate to any way you want. And on top of that are some more candles from Bear. This tray right here is from Amazon with a marble inside and a gold trim, and then I just have like some lip balm, scrunchies, clips, stuff like that. This is my 2020 MacBook Air. It is so beautiful. I love this color. And this laptop sleeve is from the brand Baze that came with the purse bag that I bought. Okay, moving on. This is my makeup mirror. This is from Amazon. It lights up, but it honestly doesn't get too bright, so I'm probably going to get a new one soon. Then over here is just some makeup stuff. This whole set, I believe, is from Marshalls, and this brush holder is from Target, the Sonia Kashuk. All my makeup brushes, makeup, and stuff like that. I really do like these clear acrylic things. I honestly don't have a lot of makeup, so it pretty much fits almost everything. And let me go through the drawers really quickly. So the rest of my makeup is in this top drawer. This is a towel that I like to lay down to not get my desk dirty while I'm doing my makeup. And in here is just some more makeup, some tweezers, stuff like that. These are blue light glasses for computers, phones, stuff like that. This second drawer has my bullet journal and kind of just a bunch of random papers, important papers, stuff like that. This one has notebooks, paper, envelopes, and if you guys can see, these drawers are really deep, and so I love this drawer system because you can definitely fit a lot of stuff in it. This next one is office supplies, and these bins and stuff, these ones are from Walmart and this is from Target just to help organize, and here is just a bunch of random office stuff. This is my electric lighter from Amazon. Love this. And here are some of the markers and pens for bullet journaling, expo markers, just a whole bunch of random office stuff in here. These are all of my extra command stuff. If I ever want to move anything, I have to re-stick it, so I have a ton of extra hooks and sticky stuff. My label maker, this brings me so much joy. Oh, my letters for my letterboard, just all of that office stuff is in this fourth drawer. The bottom one is all electronics, so these are all of my Apple Watches, GorillaPod, portable chargers, cords, anything electronic is in this bottom drawer, and this is my 5-drawer Alex system. Okay, so here's just a little decorative thing. This stuff inside is from Target, and this jar I believe is from the dollar store. Okay, so here is I love this so much. This is my essential oil diffuser, and let me just show you guys. This one is from Amazon, and it is amazing. So let's put this down. Okay, so the first cool thing about this is that it lights up, and so it will circulate through a couple of different colors, or you can choose a color, and then it has a lot of different settings to keep on for 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, or it can even go up to, I think, 8 to 10 hours. So let me show you guys. So right now I have lavender oil in it. My favorites are eucalyptus and lavender. It just makes you feel so relaxed. It makes your room smell great, and it has no toxins, chemicals, any of that stuff. So I'm not sure if you guys can see the steam. Let me put it on fast mode. There you go. You can adjust this part. So I sleep with this on almost every night with lavender or eucalyptus because it just really helps with my breathing. I have really bad allergies, and it's just really relaxing. So moving on, I have my nightstand and then my bed, and that will complete my room. So these two cactus pictures are also from Hobby Lobby. On the wall I have these lights from Target, and this little tiny trash can from either Walmart or Target. This nightstand is from Ross. It's just a cute wood nightstand with these cute little pullouts. This fake plant is also from Target. It matches that one over there. This is my Brita water bottle that is filtered. I love this so much. These marble coasters are from Walmart. This is my favorite lip balm. This is from Ulta or Sephora from the brand Smith's Rosebud Salve. This is a charging stand that I put my phone on this charging pad. Let me grab my phone. So at night, I'll just have my phone there. Apple Watch, AirPods, all just charging right next to me. And let me plug these lights in. And there's my lights that I'll sometimes put on at nighttime just for a softer type of light. Okay, let's quickly go through these drawers. Honestly, oh, I have Polaroid film. Makeup bag. So these two are kind of like junk drawers, just with random lights, stuff like that. But the top drawer is the one that I really do use every single day. And in here I keep my hair bonnet to sleep in, and then this is like deodorant, vitamins, pills, all that stuff just right next to my bed. Okay, one more thing. So if you have a small room, it's good to have space under your bed, and under here I have tons of stuff like suitcases, my printer that I don't use. That is a handheld vacuum that I'll use to clean up the dust and stuff like that, and then a bunch of like cases of other stuff to store under my bed so it's out of sight. Okay, so here's my bed. I'm not sure where the actual bed itself is from because it was my mom's, but here's everything on my bed. So, as you guys can see, here's my black and white theme. The comforter and this cute throw blanket are from Target, and mostly all of this is from Target. So, fluffy white pillow, Target. This long body pillow is also from Target, and this super soft, like not microfiber, what is it called? Memory foam pillow is from Walmart. So it kind of sucks having a twin bed, but as you guys can see, my room is really small and I prioritize having a big desk and space to film over the bed. So I do have a twin size bed. It feels like I'm back in college again, but it's perfectly fine. Oh, and the last thing is this rug is from Ross or Marshall's, just a white fluffy rug that completes my bedroom. So this is my bedroom. Let me just show you guys one last overview. So that is my updated room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Everything I talked about will be linked down below. Also, I'll include my previous room tour just in case you guys want to see what it looks like before I added some different decor and kind of switched the vibe up to more of a black, white, and fake plant type of theme. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. I'm so excited to continue growing my channel, and my goal is 3,000 subs before the end of May. I also have a lot of fun ideas planned for videos like my skincare routine, different tips on starting a YouTube channel, my equipment, and also pretty soon I will eventually have a video of my first YouTube paycheck. No, I have not gotten paid yet. I get that a lot in the comments, but I am expecting to possibly get my first paycheck either this month or most likely in June. So make sure that you have on that bell notification so that you will see every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, a great rest of your week, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye y'all.